Yeah, so that very long never play with us already. I think got 2-3 months have.
Select your hero.
I'll fail. Just choose whatever.
Fail? Wow, very long never see this Solar name here already. Damn long already, say. So, do you still have your inner Jonek?
We shall see. I'm playing a lot of Hanzo, much then, but should be okay lah.
Yeah, it should be about the same lah, the arrows.
What? You want picking?
Don't,
Oh, you want DPS or?
don't expect me to Rhine. I can't Rhine.
Oh.
Okay, sorry. I should have taken Diva instead. Alright. We have our own Jonek.
Try
Oh.
just use Brigitte. Oh no lah.
Beyond Brigitte, I should have went for Zen
No,
already.
I think Trance is still
30 seconds.
useful.
No, if you Brigitte, I think it's okay to triple support.
Yeah lah, but what are we setting up?
On top, for now.
Okay.
Hey, Solar, I am talk about it later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Are you missing cause I'm pushing you around?
Objective A.
Was that me? No. No key.
I'm gonna jump up soon.
Come on.
Where they at now?
Oh, I need heal.
I'm going now.
We have to go down. We have to go down. Oh, I need heal.
What the hell?
Okay.
Ah,
Jia. Oh,
Probably should have jumped down faster.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Oops.
Objective
okay, I'll just
Space mover, no.
the payload.
I was trying to run already.
don't auto check.
You were too far away.
Is anybody going top? Please tell me.
Wow.
Okay.
Genji on top left. Top right, sorry. Genji is after me all the time. Going back. Genji is going to the left side.
I cannot take the Anna down. That's...
High charge, I have very high charge.
Okay.
Okay, I got them.
Push.
Okay, let's push even more.
Oh my god, there's an Anna.
Genji. Genji low, super low.
Okay,
Got
push
headshot. Genji got
Can't.
headshot.
Never mind. Okay, can come back already.
Oh! Oh no, he got healed. I was going to try to get him.
Hey, yo, greedy. Never mind. Hey, come back, you say you still go up.
Be careful, I'll grab.
I have blossom.
Get back. I'm not there.
Heroes never die.
It's time.
You shots.
Hey, fuck you! Oi! Oh no. Sorry.
Lie to me.
He
Oh.
hasn't. Smart, very smart. Okay, give him that.
Genji low. I need heals behind.
Double
Thank you.
Oh,
You
this
saved my ass,
Genji
man.
is just wrecking us.
The outcome is
Hey, Jerry!
priority.
You're alone! How do you charge hit?
How to fall back from that one?
No, just stay away for the hero to come out, man.
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
We can't. The tank haven't spawned.
Okay.
Please, there's one more already. We fall back a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Where are you? Oh, nice.
Okay, sorry, I go.
They're on the right side, they're on the right side.
Kill this, kill this, kill them, kill them.
I low, sorry.
A little bit more healing. Thank you.
Nice, come back, come back.
I'll blossom.
I'm gonna go high ground now.
Let's get you back out there.
I'm just saving my trance on blade.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that knows,
Winston discarded.
Fine.
Ah,
Okay, fine.
Never die.
I need heal, I need heal! Ah, no choice.
Okay, got two.
Zen solo. They got Genji blade for the next fight when we have no
I will
time.
try tendons.
Winston's resided, Winston's resided.
Oh,
We're talking about.
Oh, McCree's super low, nearly killed him.
Nobody can follow up with that though, unless for the hammer down.
Winston.
Blade will come.
Winston discarded. Winston low. Oh my
Got three
gosh.
knives.
He's
I flashback the mercy stone. He got stuck in front of you.
boost me for a second.
Why are you there?
Just trying to get picks lah. He's still safe.
Oh, it's so low. One more hit.
Someone on the right side, is it?
I don't see anyone at the moment.
It's a hawk,
Winston discarded.
Blazes anytime if you want.
Behind.
Ah,
What the?
I didn't have my trance. I had like 10% off.
I was dead. I'm sorry.
I'm changing up
The
items.
McCree right click me like that. Flashbang.
Dein Schutzengel ist da.
Go in. Genji discarded. I need heals at the back.
Genji down.
I
So got two, okay.
would die.
Ah, I got sneezed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm on.
It's okay.
This is a good kind of good. We kind of force that shit out.
Genji
I'm gonna
discarded.
stay in the payload,
Yeah. Okay, I'll back cap.
Oh crap.
Oh, wow.
McCree got me.
Did you go? Are you muted or not?
Fuck my life, I am.
Yeah, we thought you're like quiet for the whole game since like
I was like, I'm healing already.
games
Fuck you,
ago.
I'm healing already.
Oh,
Hey, you are alone, Ion.
my bad.
I already healing.
Genji is rest us.
Monkey
No choice.
behind.
No choice. I know.
Yeah.
Nothing I can do about that.
I had to do with it.
Nice.
I'm going to die.
No, don't die.
I got a
Oh,
McCree. Only Genji left.
Fuck. Nice.
Ah, I got please.
I'm spawning.
I'm coming back.
Oh. What the fuck?
You saw or not? You saw that charge.
Oof.
The whole freaking match, I never hear our Mercy talk. So,
I think Ichigo in my head. I think Ichigo is raging. Like she's not talking.
No, she angry, yeah.
Yeah.
If I angry, I can tell. I won't just mute myself.
Should I just go Brigitte to screw up the Genji?
Go lo, go lo, go lo, go lo, go lo.
Walao, and then
Just now I say, are you missing cause I'm moving you around? Then like,
Yeah.
you reply, okay lor, fine lor, fine lor.
I'm like, yeah lah, stop moving me around. then you, like Sola said the Genji must call out so that he knows where. I'm like, oh, he's there, then he's dead, then whatever. Then wow, all that for nothing.
Meanwhile, we all thought she's raging.
No lah, I already give up already. Don't care already.
warrior's greatest weapon.
One thing, ah. Say,
I haven't.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I have no time for such
Genji was so bloody annoying.
yeah,
There's
he's-
very little I can do as Zen. Stupid reflect.
a warrior's greatest weapon.
Never mind. Then this time around, you will cover me. I will try to channel my inner Solar.
Oh yeah. Sent you like that lah.
Become a solar panel.
3,
Oh, your jokes are still. Wow.
All the man.
See me, man.
capture objective.
Oh, they have a sim.
They're not playing top. They're not playing top.
Soldier.
I got you, Brigitte.
Don't have the rocket thing.
I hit the sim once.
They're going
But
back.
it's on the head.
That's our team.
Yeah, monkey would be nice right now. Because of the can break the shit.
You know, jump. Why I hear horse here?
Oh, wow,
Okay, lor.
sneeze.
No shield, no shield.
Yeah,
What?
Oi, oi, oi,
Oi,
guys.
No, 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 no.
The Zen sneeze. Like, you
Hey.
crazy.
Orisa left side. Even
Mercy
their
once,
Mercy is
one hit.
shooting.
Solar, one hero.
Oh, Mercy solo.
What we do? We need to push in.
They're not
Got the
shooting
mercy,
anything.
got the mercy.
Oh, I'm dying to the turrets.
Hey,
Oh my god. You got bubble? Oh, okay, never mind.
Ding dong later.
Wow,
Doesn't use trance, so we can do this later.
Back in the fight.
Okay.
Oh, this Zen is
Let's do
quite
it.
good. Get a monkey. We need to clear turrets.
we got cover down already. We got cover down already.
They have a teleport.
Use the cover down, then we probably go monkey.
I think we can
They have a teleporter.
go left.
They have a teleporter, so
Right.
what?
We can go left side.
This Zen 100% Smurf.
Left side.
no leh. It was okay. Only
Go
okay.
left
at
side, go
first.
left side.
The soldier on top. We should go right. Grab the
Yeah.
right. Grab the right. Grab the right. They're all right. Grab
Yeah,
the right.
Heroes never die. Fire at will.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm still healing you.
Give me a miracle, guys.
Oh.
Oh no.
Okay.
Whoever's alive. Ooh. I got transcendence.
Good.
You'll play with it.
This might need a few adjustments.
I know where the teleporter is. I'm gonna destroy it.
We already got one and a
We
half
gotta
minute
wait.
left, huh?
We are man down. We are man down.
I got you, Brigitte.
I'm out. Can use it and go in. Once.
Yeah.
I got you.
Shall we go?
You can use it, yeah? Anytime. I got
We go.
transcendence as well.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, let me destroy the
Ah,
teleporter.
Wow, the damage is crazy.
coming.
Oh my god, the
Fucking hell.
Oh, the.
So just down. She's down.
Eh.
Oh my god. Zen.
What is Zen though?
The Zen's a Smurf, 100%.
This is all part
Really
of the
good.
process.
I have to kill that Zen fast.
Oh,
You know, come on.
Oh no!
But our Zen is better.
Oh my god, there's still a turret.
This is not the end.
10 seconds.
Yeah, they still have tele.
Oh,
Wow.
oh my god.
Zen's down. The soldier's down. I mean.
We knocked all around. I can't do anything.
Point. That
Eh.
Zen though.
Yeah, I can't do anything about it. Zen is a Smurf.
So good.
Sure.
Yep.
Ibu Ben. Ibu Ben.
Play of the game.
This is the first
Move
season
back.
he conf.
I don't really think he's. Oh, probably is this. Probably is.
Triple kill.
3.25 kills per life. Wow.
36 level.
Zero
level.
damage done, 6k average per 10 minutes. For Zen, that's damn high.
Whew. Oh, legendary. Oh, this butcher. You got the butcher skin. The roadhog. What's this? What's this? So you want me to be the one that kill, is it?
Q ah.